Hey guys, so I'm having an issue with my Brother Scan and Cut DX. Basically, what's happening is I can't load my mats in because it thinks that there's already a mat in there, and I'm not sure why. But let me show you what I mean. So this is it. Pull that up. Turn it on. It's loading. So this just says the carriage will move to the initial position. Keep your hands away from the cartridge. This is normal. Hit OK. Just means that the this cartridge is just moving over to where it's supposed to be. So this is what it is. I'm not going to try and put the mat in because it's already kind of messed up from the machine just spitting it out. But yeah, it's just a Brother Scan and Cut mat. So usually what I do is I try and load in the mat first. So to do that, you hit this one, and so it says it's unloading. So it's trying to spit the non-existent mat out. And it's gonna go like this for, I don't even know how long. Yeah, so it says, cannot unload the mat, pull the mat after turning the machine off. So there's no mat. I can't pause. I can't go back to the home. I can't try again. I have to shut the machine off. And even when I'm trying to shut the machine off, it's trying anyway. Yeah. So I've shut this thing down. I don't even know how many times. I can't find any tutorials or any helpful links or anything. So if you have any ideas, please feel free to let me know. Thanks.